Now, check out the 2026 Apex 216 RKS, a 21-foot rear kitchen slide. This unit has a 52-gallon freshwater tank, a whopping 70 gray, and a 35 black. It weighs 4,600 pounds dry, and fully loaded, you're gonna be at 6,000 pounds. That gives you about 1,400 pounds worth of cargo that you can load into the trailer. Let's begin. Right outside, you do get a full Asdel wall, and that's not just on the outside, but it's on the inside panel as well too. Full pass-through storage that you do get a griddle, and that you can hook up right over here with the gas line right underneath. But the other thing I want you to check out is it does have a fully enclosed heated underbelly underneath the unit too as well. Windows on all sides. You do get a huge front capped window here on the outside. Fully walkable roof, and it's got 400 watts of solar on top of the roof too as well. And then one of the things I want you to check out is you do get a Schwintek slide system right here. Get a zoom in on that. What it is that you got the gears that pull your slide out evenly, and it pulls it inside evenly, and it also makes micro adjustments as well too. You do get a black flush tank. If you don't know what that is, it's a sprinkler that goes off in your black tank and cleans it from top to bottom rather than just flowing water throughout the unit too as well. You got the outside shower right here. Your spare is an actual off-road tire, not just a donut. Huge window in the back too as well, with it prepped with a backup camera, and a hot water on demand tank. You flick it on and you automatically got hot water. And with a 52-gallon fresh water tank with a 70 gray, that's a whole lot of showers. What's beautiful about this unit right here is that you do get a bar system with a TV on the outside, and then you got the table on the inside that you can sit there and check out the view on the outside there. Beautiful unit with the off-road tires. That's one of my favorite things. Check out the inside. Solid steps on the outside. And then checking out the inside, you do have a full rear kitchen with nice, beautiful gold faucets with a stainless steel sink. You guys get drawers along with cupboards, some overhead storage as well too, with a 10.8 cubic foot fridge, 2-burner stove. What's nice is that Apex is starting to add these portable speakers. So if you're gonna go down by the lake or the river, just take your speaker with you, take your music with you. But I want you to get a good look on what type of view you'll have looking out. I know it's just trailers right now, but just imagine that it's going to be a nice mountain view. You can either black out the blinds, or you can also have a mosquito net as well too. Nice bar area right here with your 2 chairs, and you can sit there and just enjoy your view, but it's actually pretty wide as well. You do get a couch inside this unit that does come inside, so even if you close the slide in, you'll still be able to access everything inside this trailer. It's got a fully walkable roof. You do have storage here, and then coming out here, you do get some pantry space too as well, or you could just use it as a closet. Come check out the bathroom. You do have huge counter space right here with some drawers here on the bottom, and then a vanity right here. Your control for your hot water on demand right there. And then right there, you do have a nice size shower with your gold faucets as well. Now come check out the bedroom. You get a beautiful walk around queen bed with overhead storage right there, and then also as well on the sides for your wardrobes, and then some storage underneath. This is known as a north-south bed because it's got the north-south of the trailer, and it's got a nice one because you can actually walk around it instead of crawling over the person. Again, this is the 2026 Apex 216 RKS. It comes in at $44,990. You can call us over here at Field of RV Dreams. The phone number is 403-262-2121. Peace.